So Anders, we're here in the Central Coast filming season 2 of Renovate or Rebuild. I'm absolutely delighted, as I'm sure you are, that LONGi Solar is once again featured on Renovate or Rebuild. Mate, this home is perfect. James Treble's own home. You must be super excited that he chose to use your panel for his roof.
Oh, it's great. It's just a pleasure for us that he chose LONGi, the All Blacks, the Hammer 5 All Blacks, to install his solar system in his house.
We did say once you go black, you never go back, and it is never a truer thing or said, particularly about these panels. I mean, not only, look, we know how highly efficient they are, and they are absolutely fantastic, but they look incredible. How did he pull it off?
And that's I think that's the beauty of the All Blacks, but that's what's coming up next. Like our new technology, the HPVC, is just great because it's gonna look like that. Most of the panels are gonna look like that. Like very dark, very stylish, very elegant for anything. We heard that our customers want that for their homes. Not just for a roof to have panels, but panels that look good. And that's what we're looking for.
When you look at the high-end market, I mean, especially the stuff that we're featured on Renovate or Rebuild or Open Homes Australia, and those homes are stunning, they're massive, but one of the biggest things that those owners hate about solar power is the aesthetics. Now, the one thing that you guys have managed to accomplish is not only have you ticked that box completely, having a super stylish panel, but you kept the cost down. How do you guys manage to do that?
LONGi is big on making products that are affordable, right? Are reliable, affordable, and that they look great, right? We don't like to just go for the latest technology when it's not ready. Like we're just trying to keep costs down because we want everyone to have LONGi panels. We want everyone to be able to afford the solar power.
Yes, and walking down the road in New Miner, and you see James Treble's home and see how, you know, he must have spent a fortune on those panels. That system is affordable by absolutely any homeowner. Anyone can just afford the LONGi Hymo 5s, Hymo 6 coming up. Very efficient, highly affordable, and they're gonna look amazing. Oh my God! Well, look, it's very, very exciting. I mean, I'm absolutely delighted that we, once again, we've got to feature you on Renovate and Rebuild.
It's great.
It's always a pleasure, and the technology is absolutely phenomenal, mate. So well done.
Thanks, Rosh.